Got the book? Yeah. Got your book today?
The maths or physics?
What do you think?
Maths.
Where's your maths book? Where's your room? This building? Downstairs? Go get it, so.
I think I need this home more than here.
You need a boat.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to have a look at now. Improper. Yeah.
Sure, thank you, but can I borrow your pen again?
Oh,
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
that's goodness. Right, what we're going to have a look at is improper. Last time we looked at proper. That is when the power of the top is less than the power on the bottom. Improper is when the powers are the same or greater on the top. Yeah? Tekken. As an example, can you read the first question? What is it?
2x cubic minus 7x squared minus 14x
14x?
Yeah. 14x minus 23 over x squared minus 4x minus
X squared minus 4x
minus 5.
like this?
Yeah.
Okay, write that down first. Where's your book? That is your. So where's your book, Karar? It's at home again. Oh, come on. I want it next time now. Why don't you just bring it every day?
I don't know actually.
Fine. Well, no reason, here's a suggestion. Bring it every day.
Okay.
Yes.
I will.
It'll be safer on you this way. Yes. Alright, did you write this down?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Is that the door?
No.
You a politician looking for a vote on Friday? What party do you represent? The keeping it real, good time party, is it? You know there's a vote on Friday, don't you?
This Friday?
I think so. Irish government. Yeah.
Should we vote?
You can't
What
vote.
do you call the people who are going to like vote to them? The people.
Oh, the people who you vote for, or the
Yeah.
people who vote?
Not who votes for. Like you are going to vote to someone. What do you call these people?
Ah, these people are the candidates.
Candidates?
Yes.
President election?
No, it's not presidential, it's for government seats.
So the parliamentary choose the president. Parliamentary choose the president.
No, there's another vote for that.
Another vote?
Yeah. Okay, have we got this one? So, this is improper because there is a cubic on the top and a quadratic on the bottom.
Okay.
So, let me show you how you deal with these ones. We have to do a long division first. Come on, KJ, wakey. Why are you so tired? What?
I'm not tired.
So you were just yawning to annoy me, was it? Okay, got that? So what's the first one here? 2. X. 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 10x. X squared minus 4x minus 23. What's next?
1.
X squared minus 4x minus 5 minus 18. We have a remainder. That should happen for these problems. Now, if I go to the side for one moment, if you had 25 divided into 102, how many times does that go? 4. And the remainder? 2. You can say 102 equals 25 times 4 plus 2. In other words, you are allowed to say this is equal to this number multiplied by this number plus this number. Can you see that? That logic is true here as well. You are allowed to say this cubic equals this quadratic multiply this linear plus this remainder. So that's what I will do on the top. I will say the cubic equals the quadratic multiply the linear plus the remainder. Okie dokie? Yeah. I can continue? I can continue? Yeah, okay. So, what we'll do now is, if we look at our problem, which we've rewritten it like this, we can split that up into two problems. X squared minus 4x minus 5 times 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x minus 5 minus 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. But what happens here? Well, this will cancel with this. So you have now 2x plus 1 minus 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now look at what we've done. We have changed this from an improper to a proper. Yeah? Now the rest is easy peasy, so let's continue with the rest. Ready? So what I'll do is I'll park this here for a moment and just look at this part separately as a separate problem. So as a separate problem on a separate page almost, we have 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Right, so what I want you to do as practice here, you should be able to do it pretty quick, especially if you practiced last night. I want you to write this out as a fraction plus a fraction. Okay, so what's the first step we need to do here? No?
No, I need to factorize.
Factorize first. Okay. See how quick you can do this. Let's see how long it should take you. Remember, this should be pretty quick.
X minus 5, x plus 4.
Yeah, give me the A and the B. Chop chop. Go Barry Allen on this problem for me, would you? Flash on through it. Don't go all legends tomorrow on me. Go all flash on me. You need to watch the video from yesterday. It's up on my YouTube channel.
Right now?
Right now, yep. Freshly uploaded. It's right there right now. We got the A and the B.
Three. A is 3, B is minus 3.
Alright, let's see how quick and speedy we can do this one. So the two factors are x minus 5, x plus 1. True?
Yes.
So this is equal to a over x minus 5 plus b over x plus 1. And this is 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Multiplied by the two factors. If I make x equal to 5, then I'll get a is 3. If I make x equal to minus 1, sorry, 5 cancels that, yeah. If I make x equal to minus 1, that's gone, that's a minus 6, minus 3. 3 and minus 3?
Yes.
Yeah, great. So, we can return to what we parked earlier and say this is equal to 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 minus 3 over x plus 1. So I have my answer. 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 plus 3 over x plus 1.
That's the end.
Yeah.
Just don't let.
You see how it's just like what we did yesterday with an extra step at the start?
Yes. And at the end.
Well, I suppose I'd hardly call it a step. More like a dip, maybe. Now, we spent a lot of time yesterday getting the basic idea for this. Yes, but I think it was worthwhile because we have a clear understanding here. So what I'll do is, I'll do another example. Maybe something, what was this now? This was a cubic over a quadratic. Let me see, let me have a look. We'll pick something a bit unusual maybe. So what we'll do, let me just write this down. We'll do C.
C. Few people were quadratic.
Yeah. Okay. So I'd like us to do this together, but in parts. Yeah. So first write it down.
Student.
Yeah.
49.
Oh, is it 49 at the end? This is C. Thank you. That makes things better. Okay, listen.
That should be 160.
Huh?
I think bottom is wrong.
Oh, the bottom's completely wrong. Okay, give me the bottom then.
81 x squared.
Yeah.
Plus 126x.
Yeah.
Plus 49.
Okay, great. Now, right, KJ. What I want people to do first is I want you to use long division to change this into a proper problem.
Okay.
And then once you've done that part, stop. Okay? How's my battery doing? Okay. Got the long division done?
Six.
Huh? Say what? Speak up, don't be shy.
I did it since I was trying to continue.
Oh, yeah. Maybe long division's wrong.
No, not that, not that.
Are you sure?
I can't factorize this.
Let's see what happens then. Okay, so long division. Yep. I don't think there's anything special here, just a regular long division. Maybe I'll just write underneath. 81x squared plus 126x plus 49 divide into 162x cubed plus 333x squared plus 170x. Right, the first one is 2x for sure. That's 162x cubed plus 126x squared plus 49x. So KJ, what did you get down here?
252.
252x squared plus 121.
72.
Huh? That's 49.
49 times 3.
Son of a gun! Let's go back. So that should have been 98.
Yeah.
So that should have left me instead with 72. And here, what? 252. 252? Are you sure?
Sorry, 81. You know multiply the 126 by 2.
Ah, for goodness sake, Stephen, wake up. Plus 252x squared plus 98x. There we go.
81.
81x squared plus 72x. Plus, next, plus 1. So, here I get 81x squared plus 126x plus 49. So when I subtract, what am I left with here? Minus 54x minus 49.
Minus 49 or plus 49?
I'll be minus for sure. If this was a plus here, this will be a minus here. So, the top is 81x squared plus 126x plus 49. All over 81x squared plus 126x plus 49 times 2x plus 1 plus the remainder, minus 54x minus 49. Did you get that, KJ?
This is not going to be minus in bracket, so it's now cancelled and making it 54x plus 49.
If you want to do with the minus out and add in brackets, that's fine. It's fine like this too. Okay, got that? So over here, you can simplify this to 2x plus 1 plus minus 54x minus 49. If you want to take out the minus, KJ, that's fine. Over 81x squared plus 126x plus 49. I think I will take out the minus. 2x plus 1 minus bracket 5x plus 49 over bracket 81x squared plus 126x plus 49. Okay, next step, I'll let you try. I want you to now do this proper problem. Get me the A and the B.
Can you factorize this?
I will factorize it for you, KJ. It will be my pleasure. 9x plus 7 is the first factor, and that is the only factor. So it is a repeated factor. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Okay, try that so. Oh, and this time, for difference, remember with the repeated factor, you'll end up deleting something on the top. Remember that? In the linear? Yes, do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
So this time I want you to delete the constant and keep the x. For fun, that's why.
A is 7, B is minus 7.
Seems believable. Now my programs have frozen here. Paint program has crashed. So I'll need to open up a new one, but you'll need to read it to me, what I had. Okay. Oh, it's back. Yeah, I see. Alright. Let's have a look at this part now, okay? So, I don't need you anymore. Right. So, again, we park it. Colours are nicer. And we'll look at this one here. So we have 5x plus 49 of... Huh? What's 54? Oh, that's a 54. Thank you.
Oh, 54.
Oh, dang. Oh, right. 54x plus 49.
It's not 54.
Yeah, it's 54.
Oops, my bad. Sorry about that. Lols. 54x plus 49 over 81x squared plus 126x plus 49. Sorry, KJ. It is a bit of a lols though, isn't it? Right. So this would equal a over, what did I say the factor was? That's still the same. 9x plus 7 plus, and here is 9x plus 7 squared, and here is bx plus c. But this time for kicks, we'll cancel the c. After we multiply by the factors, we're left with a 9x plus 7 plus bx. Yeah? Okay, let's make x 0. So if I make x 0, I'll get a equals 7. Now I will make x equal to minus 7 over 9. So this will be 54 times minus 7 over 9. Well, that goes in 6 times. Hold on. Huh? Oh, no, but I'll do this one. Are you telling me the total here, or just this one is minus 42? Minus 42 plus 9 is 7. 7. Right? Like this? No? Yes? So then we get x must equal minus 9. Not x. What did I write x for? B. B must equal minus 9. So if I return back here, I have my A and I have my B now. We said that A is 7 and B is minus 9. So I can go back to the left here, and this is equal to 2x plus 1 minus bracket 7 over 9x plus 7 minus 9 over 9x plus 7, and next there, squared. Yeah. So this equals 2x plus 1 minus 7 over 9x plus 7 plus 9x over 9x plus 7 squared. That's the answer. You got this answer? Yeah? Yeah? Let's see what our computer program tells us. It said delete. No texting. Or WhatsApping. Or what's Twittering, Facebook Facebook messaging, Skyping, MSNing, physics game app, you say. You tell me the title of this app.
They call it physics game app.
Big seller, is it?
Essential.
Yes, oh yes, yeah. It's right up there with Angry Birds and
Yes.
Flappy Bird and Candy Crush Saga. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the program to add these three together, and we should get the question back. And remember, we could have said C instead of BX. We deleted the C this time for fun. Right, what was my answer? Can you read it back to me? 2x plus 1 minus 7 over 9x plus 7. Yep. 9x. Yep. Over 9x plus 7 is 1,000. Right. It's not adding it together the way I want it to.
Because it's meant to be minus 9x.
There's a typo here?
I think so.
Oh, that's right. It's just not adding it together the way I want it to. It's keeping this separate. There we go. That's a bit better. Now the bottom is right, so we want to check the top. It should equal the same cubic. So I'll just get the program to expand the top. Right, was that the cubic at the start? It was, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, and let's check now. Let me just do the bottom now. Right, so I'll get the program to expand the bottom. Is that the bottom? So the answer, we can confirm, is right. Now, why bother with this? Apart from the fact that it's so much fun, obviously, why do you think having this problem rewritten is better? Like, I mean, why go to the trouble of taking this and rewriting it as that?
So it should be easy to integrate.
Yes, that's it. Because this here, if I asked you to integrate this, like they say in South Park, you're going to have a bad time. But integrating this one here is not as difficult. For example, can you integrate 2x? My goodness, I hope you can. Can you integrate 1?
Yes.
Yeah.
0.
Yeah, no, that's derivative. Integrating this, what rule do you need? No, you're thinking of derivatives.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, integration. We did that. We did this one in semester 1. Did we do that in semester 1? No? So in semester 1, which now is a distant memory, we had a formula for integrating this. Anyone remember?
Yes.
No. Yes?
A,
Yeah?
A,
No? Stop
A
talking.
plus.
Stop.
Yeah, I was getting there.
No, you weren't. You did this in semester 1. The fact that you don't remember means you should be studying and revising semester 1 material, because that will be on your final exam as well. So we did this one in semester 1, and this one here, we could solve it by using what method? Semester 2 method.
Yes.
You've only done 2 integration methods in semester 2, so if you guess, you have a 50-50 chance. You are wrong. What method? Substitution is the only other method.
Yeah.
So what do you substitute here?
9x. plus
U equals 9x
plus
plus 7.
Oh, the way that I told it.
Yes. So this is a semester 2 problem, but these 3 here are semester 1 problems. So this process changes a difficult integration problem to a potentially simpler integration problem. Okay? Now what I want you to do for the last few minutes, I'm getting a bit worried about this class. So I'm starting to think that it might be necessary to have a mid-semester test to assess how much you remember from semester 1 and what we've done so far in semester 2.
So all the material?
Everything, yeah. And physics as well.
When is that?
When will I do it? Well, you know why I'm going to do it. Because I'm worried about you. When will I do it? Maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe in 2 weeks.
After the break?
There's a break? Oh, there's the Easter break, isn't there? Well, how far away is that now?
Like
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks away. I tell you what, actually, after the Easter break will be a great time to do a mid-semester test to see how much you don't know.
In physics, that should be a lot.
And after,
Yes, no, I know that.
and after you see how much we don't know, what you are going to do?
Nothing. It'll just make me more worried. What can I do? I can't do anything. I mean, you know. You're the people who need to take the test. You're the people who need to know the material.
Yeah.
You know.
As
You have your notes. You have your videos. You have your workbook for maths. You have the past papers online. Yeah. Yeah. So look, the fact is, you have to take a test in June that covers both semesters. So if you are forgetting things from semester 1, that means you need to manage your study time to include revision of semester 1. You know what I mean?
Yeah, manage our study time.
Yes. Well, actually, maybe this is the key problem. Is there study time? Is there study time to manage? Is there? No, seriously, is there?
Yes.
There is? Seriously, you're not just saying that?
No, there is.
Because if you tell me there's no study time, I'm not exactly going to be surprised.
No, there is study time.
There is? Is there?
Like 30 minutes during the weekdays, then 3 hours in the weekend.
Well, that's a good start. That's a good start. It also depends on what grade you need at the end as well. You know, if you tell me, oh, I just need a D, well then, okay. No, seriously, if you said, Stephen, I just need a D, then I would be sympathetic. I'm like, well, I don't expect him to study hard if he only needs to pass, you know? But if you're telling me, oh, well, I want an A or I need a B, A and B's you have to work for. Work hard, you know? Like, what grade do you need, KJ?
A.
You need an A, okay, so you need to be working hard then. What do you need?
B.
You need a B, so also working hard. Correct?
B.
B, yeah? So, you know, A's and B's don't just happen. They require work. It is February. The exam is in June. There's enough time to do serious study until then. But the longer you leave your serious study, the more work you'll have to do later. And the more likely it is you will not succeed. True? If you leave all your study to do until May, you know, yeah?
Is it in May or June?
Well, it's the end of May, isn't it? So,
23rd of
yeah, so like nearly June, yeah, yeah. I only say June because in my head that's when I need to correct it, in June. But you're right, it's more the end of May.
Stephen, why you don't have holiday before the exam?
It's not possible because the date is set by people in Manchester, and if we give you a holiday before the exam, it means less teaching time.
Yeah, but you need to recover the material, have you?
No, this is the thing, you should be revising the material from now to the exam, not before the exam.
Well, no.
Yeah. So I mean, it's not going to kill you to go to the library, take out your Maths Part 1 workbook, look at the first page, pick one question, do it, go to the next page, pick one question, do it, and keep going until you hit a question you get the wrong answer. Then that means you need to revise that topic. Likewise for physics. The homework up on Moodle, but I know I haven't been putting them up there lately, but I'll try and update the Moodle homeworks. But the Moodle homeworks are there for semester 1 in physics, so you could open up the first homework, right? And you could see, do I remember how to do this? You could try it, and if in physics, I feel like if you can get to the end, it means you probably got it right. That most of the difficulty with physics is actually at the start, knowing what formula to use and what to do. Whereas with maths, it's more of a continuous process. Can you make it to the end? True, right? Don't you think so? Like these problems here, it's a case of can you make it to the end? Whereas in physics, it's almost a case of can you start? It's different. So, I mean, it's not going to kill you to go to the library, open up the first homework for physics and say, okay, do I remember how to do these? And if you don't remember, then you need to watch a video, open up your notes, get a book or do something. But these are things you need to do. I can't do them for you. I can't go home and do your revision for you. I know you would love if that was an option, and then I could transfer it to your brains, but I can't do that. Maybe in the future when we have robots and cyborgs and artificial intelligence it might be possible. At the moment it is not. Okay? Right, so again, it's the same deal for the next worksheet. You should try and do the questions down the side. You don't need to do as many of these because they use the same idea as the last one. So even if you could do a quarter of the questions on the page. Yeah? It depends if you did a lot of questions from the last one.
Yes.
Because the only key difference here with this one is what? The long division at the start, okay? Alright, I'll close this now.